How to connect Spotify to GTA 5 in PS5. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to play your favorite Spotify songs while playing GTA 5 on your PS5. It's a simple step-by-step guide to enhance your gameplay with your own soundtrack. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Media tab. On your PS5 home screen, go to the Media tab at the top. This is where your streaming apps are. Step 2. Find and install Spotify. Select the search icon and type in Spotify. Download and install the Spotify app if you haven't already. Step 3. Log in to Spotify. Open Spotify and log in using your account. You can log in with your email and password, or use the Spotify app on your phone to connect quickly using a code. Step 4. Play a song. Once you're logged in, just choose any song, album, or playlist you like, and hit play. Step 5. Open GTA 5. Now, press the PlayStation button and return to your home screen. Launch GTA 5 as usual. Step 6. Control music while in-game. While playing GTA 5, press the PS button once to open the control center. You'll see a Spotify player at the bottom. From here, you can skip tracks, pause, or adjust volume, all without leaving the game. Step 7. Optional. Mute in game music. For the best experience, you can turn it off GTA 5 radio or lower in the game music volume from the game settings. That way, your Spotify music won't clash with the game soundtrack. And that's it. That was a tutorial on how to connect Spotify to GTA 5 on your PS5 and listen to your favorite songs while cruising through the Los Santos. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.